All right, this is gonna be the last time you see this boat with carpet. Took out the engine cover, took out most of the seats. I decided we're ripping out the carpet, ripping it all out, and gonna start fresh with some really nice flooring. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but we'll figure that out as we go. So let's take one more look at it before. All right, and just like that, we have a boat with no carpet in it. It was totally easy and not challenging and hard and a bitch to do at all. No, it kind of sucked a lot. But as you can see, all of it's out. And floor's not as solid as I thought it was. Up here, they had a different piece. They had about a 1-inch piece of plywood from like here to there. And you can tell why. You can see that's you don't want to step on that. That's really bad. Like, it's super, that's awful. And we're just gonna rock with it and put the piece of plywood back over it. And then right here you can see where it dips down. It's not awful, it's pretty solid still, but yeah, that's where it dips down. Other than that, everything else is pretty clean. I don't know what the process is of us gonna be sanding it or something like that to get the glue down, but we're gonna be able to glue the bottom and put a nice new floor in that I don't know what it's gonna be yet. So stay tuned, guys. Floor's out. We're making progress. Thank you guys for watching, and be excited for the next video. Hey, what's up, guys? Back again with another video. Day 2 of the build. I'm working on the bench right now, and as you can see, I just plywooded that side out. The other side I decided it was all right. Kept on putting more supports, then the wood kept on falling apart and kept on needing to put more and more into it. Now I'm gonna put a sheet over it and just button that up, and hopefully it should be good. Then after, we're gonna be scrubbing down the floor, getting the rest of all this like carpet out, so we can have a nice clean surface to get our new flooring in. So I'm gonna work on that after I finish up this bench. All right, we got the first piece on. Looks pretty good. Then just waiting for the second piece to be cut out. We're gonna screw that in and pretty much wrap up this bench area and move on to the floor. All right, I haven't been showing much, but I've been scrubbing away this floor. You can see this is what I've been working on, and this still needs to be done. You can see all the extra carpet and stuff like that all the way through there. This is ready to get a nice little layer of fiberglass and then glue. So you can see I did all of it all the way through. Took me about an hour or two. It's not hard work. I've been using this is a 4-inch razor blade, so you just go to town on that and works pretty well. So I'm gonna finish up that side. Already did the front, there wasn't much to do there, and gonna call it a wrap after I finish this up. All right, this floor is ready for some fiberglass, so that's what we're about to start. We're at 2 buckets. We're about to mix in the hard stuff to make it actual fiberglass, and then we're gonna start laying out coats on this whole thing, and hopefully it goes smoothly. We'll just have to see. All right, this is it. We're gonna let it dry. I'm just putting these pieces back in for now so we can put the cover on. It's gonna rain, so we'll let it dry for a couple of days. Gonna be ordering that floor, and sooner or later we're gonna be putting that in. So we're on our way to getting a new floor, and it's gonna look sweet. Thank you guys for watching this build. It's coming pretty well so far, and stay tuned for that floor coming soon. Thank you. See you guys in the next one.